Hi, I'm Jack from Lone Wolf Farms, and today we are going to be hard-boiling eggs, but first we need to know if our eggs are fresh. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill this bowl with some cold water, and then we'll put the eggs in there. If they float, they're bad, and they need to be thrown away. If they're perfectly flat on the bottom, that means they're good and safe to eat. If they're sort of standing up some, that means they're not fresh, but not old. Okay, so let's get the water in the bowl. Now we have our bowl full of water. Okay, let's start getting some eggs. Okay, we got one egg. They're fresh from the farm. That looks like it's a perfectly good egg to me. Another egg. Another good egg. Another good egg. Okay, we're almost done. We're gonna get some more white eggs so we can dye them for Easter. I got my helper here. So far, I have not had a bad egg that floated. I don't know how. I thought these were like a week old, and somehow they're still good. Okay, we got a lot of eggs. That will work for now. So I'm going to put some soapy water in here, and we'll put those eggs in here. And then once we get them starting to hard boil, we'll start doing more and more and more until we get most of the eggs done. We're probably going to keep some raw still, so for cooking and other stuff like that. So right now, let's get some warm soapy water. Okay, we got our warm soapy water right here. We put some eggs in it. Now, let's start cleaning. Okay, we got our warm soapy water in here. Now we're going to start cleaning the eggs. Okay, clean. And now, okay, all the eggs are cleaned. Now, I'm going to fill this pan or pot with some water. Okay, that's good. Now, we're going to take the eggs out one by one and just make sure they're not soapy. We're just going to rinse them all off. Okay, we finished putting the eggs in there. They're all rinsed, cleaned, everything like that. Now they're ready to go on the stove. Okay, now the eggs are on the stove. Remember, have a grown-up help you when moving the eggs to the stove. Pretty soon, the water will start to boil, and the eggs will get hard-boiled. Don't worry if the egg cracks a little bit. That might happen. Okay, so the eggs started to boil. Only 2 of them cracked a little bit, but that would still be fine. So they started boiling, and once they started boiling, we turned off the burner to let them cool. And because the eggs crack, it's because all the pressure and the heat goes with the pressure, and that probably causes them to crack. I'm Jack. Remember to watch part 2. Bye.